So this course is designed for advanced researchers as well, right? It's not only for like newbies like you and for research, it's also for advanced researchers that will have the opportunities to supervise someone. Even you as a PhD student, sometimes you might be a part of a bigger project and there will be an undergraduate student who wants to do some thesis work. So you have to supervise. You are given the supervision responsibility. So what do you do? How do you do it? What are the ethical issues that involve? That's what we discuss here. When you are a supervisor for someone, you're basically planting some plants, in their brains. So you can see that the way you provide your input to them will determine whether that plant is going to flourish or not. The supervisor has a responsibility to create conditions that will help and develop the doctoral student's knowledge and research. It can be a master's student as well. I mean, it's not only the doctoral research. So this happens through discussions, teaching, and their own example, and transferring knowledge, skills, experience to the doctoral student, guide his or her research. So it's a big responsibility to supervise someone. Unfortunately, I realized that those courses don't exist here, but in Sweden, for example, in Gothenburg, you have to take 4 PhD courses to become a supervisor and a teacher at the university. If you want to be a teacher there, in addition to the degree in economics, or the PhD in economics, or no matter how much publication you have or experience you have to take teaching and learning in higher education 1, 2, 3 courses, and there's another course on supervising a PhD student. So that course is really very helpful. It tells you that supervising someone is not really helping them to get a good paper out. That's one component of it, but it's much bigger responsibility. The researcher should help, or the supervisor should help the student to formulate a suitable dissertation topic. Draw up individual study plans consistent with the requirements of the program. So what are your aims for this year? Right? Take additional trainings or not? Do you need those or not? Did you take econometric courses before, or shall we plan for it now? All these things should be decided in discussion with a PhD student by the supervisor. In some cases, there are 2 conditions when you join a PhD. Probably you can see yourself in one of them. In some